Use JavaScript's Ajax post to retrieve a HTML or PHP file and place it into a div tag. In this video, a PHP file will be placed into a div tag by just using JavaScript's Ajax post. On our web page, the only thing that is needed is a div tag that will hold the return code results from our PHP file. The div tag is an ID of file 1, so our return results will go right here. This is the trimmed down Ajax request. Notice that no data is being sent to the server. This is all that is needed. There are two areas that are of interest, and they are the return request line, right here, and the URL line, right there. The return request line is where the PHP file's code is to be placed. In our example, it's the div tag with an ID file 1, so again, it goes right there. The URL line is the location on the server where the PHP file is located. This is all that is needed to place an HTML or PHP file code results into a tag. By using the built-in PHP editor, we can see the code that is inside PHP file 1. This is the code that's inside this file here. The code results will be placed inside the div tag with an ID file 1. By commenting out this line, we can stop the request and view the page without the PHP file code results placed into the div tag. Here we are, file 1. Again, remove the comment. We have our code again back into the div tag. We can change the bird, put the oriole back, and then label it. Why would I use this? This has so much potential. You could swap out pages by a timer, or put multiple div tags and change the pages going to them at intervals. But to me, the biggest use would be to create a menu that would change the web page without refreshing the page. Here's an example right here. We have a menu, and each button represents a web page from the server. As the buttons are clicked, a web page from the server appears inside the div tag with an ID page. So the server PHP file results will go right there. As you can see, this will have great potential, and I'm surprised it's not being done. Here's the first page, page 2 from the server, and page 3. Notice the page doesn't refresh. Pretty cool. So as you can see, it doesn't take a lot to place a HTML or PHP file into a web page. This sort of acts like a load method from JQuery. If you find this video useful, how about a thumbs up? Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to try out scripTower at scripTower.com. The link is in the description.